The foundation stone for Vancel was laid by my grandfather in the Czech Republic, where he ran a locksmith's. Due to the turmoil of war, the family met again in Leipheim, and it was in 1947 when my father returned from captivity as a war prisoner to join his family. The next step was to start a new life and to set up our own business here in Leipheim. There, my grandfather did what he'd done earlier in Giebau. He went to the shops, checking if there was anything he could do to assist or how he could make himself useful. And then he got the idea of self-service. However, the concept already existed in the USA before the war. Hence, a rather random idea came up. Who can manufacture a couple of shopping baskets for a pilot project? It was a challenge for my father when he heard of this idea, which raised the question, where do you get the material and how can it be processed? Then again, people recognized that we're the experts in wire processing, and this is how we managed to gain a foothold in the sector. This actually led to the development of the shopping trolley, which was a real breakthrough. As I mentioned earlier, these were trolleys with hinged handles that had been placed on a movable frame. This was the moment when the modern shopping trolley was born, and that made Vancel famous. We took on a pioneering role and expanded our vertical production beyond wire and tube processing, integrating upstream processes comprising parts such as rollers, wheels and plastic components. Then we added downstream processes, for example, applying surface finishing, chemical galvanizing, refinement and sealing, which were again integrated into one production process. At the end of the 1960s and the beginning of the 1970s, the first subsidiaries were established in Switzerland and Austria, and later in the 1970s in Belgium and the Netherlands as well. From a strategic point of view, the establishment of a subsidiary in France in 1982, the first production location outside Germany, was a significant step for Vancel in Europe. This opened the way for further investment in foreign production facilities in China, the UK, in the Czech Republic, and most recently in the United States and Canada. Why shouldn't we extend our reach beyond Germany and Europe and take the Vancel brand out into the world? Shopping trolleys and shelving are products which are always found in the retail sales arena. There were two business divisions, the presentation of goods on the one hand and the transportation of goods on the other. After manufacturing casters and plastic components for shopping trolleys, wheels were what we were actually interested in. Our proven manufacturing capabilities enabled us to penetrate downstream and upstream of the sales area, providing state-of-the-art solutions for the warehousing and distribution sector while servicing the back-of-store logistics requirements for our retail customers and providing bespoke materials handling solutions for a wide variety of industrial enterprises. By natural progression, this has resulted in the later production of luggage trolleys for airports, hotels. And speaking of hotels, we didn't just stop at the reception desk and the luggage trolleys. We developed the thought further, designing and developing a range of products which included shelf trolleys for laundry transportation, serving and plate trolleys, and chambermaid trolleys, which effectively supplemented our model range. Today, in times of saturated markets, the focus tends to be rather on creativity and shop solutions. We are known for high-volume manufacturing of shopping trolleys, and we proved to be a global leader. However, few people know that we understand our customers' businesses well enough to give them ideas on how to present their goods, how to design the layout of the stores, or how to make one store concept more successful than another. To be a part of all this is perhaps the basis of our current success, and what distinguishes us from other shopping trolley manufacturers or other wire benders. The sky's the limit. You can accomplish anything you want, and there's a solution to every problem. I'm confident we can make it. This is about retail made by Vancel.